Okay, how many of you recognize this mess? Of course, you know, no family is complete without me. Well, my family is not complete without me, so I have to do one for me too. But, so, welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse, and I've been having some fun with my family. I have had them all come out to my studio and pick some colours and tell me how to pour, and I've had results which you can see in the previous 3 videos. This is the mess left from the last one, and these are the tins of paint left over from the 3 of them. So let me just zoom in a little bit. We've got quite a soft, nurturing, greeny blue, brown, no, not brown. We've got a dark purple, moody kind of thing going on in there. And then we've got a khaki green kind of thing happening in there. And I'm like, what can I be and do to combine these 3 together to create something really pretty? And you know what? I'm not a fan of this green. It's beautiful in the forest. This one, again, not, it's a bit too pink, too minty for me. So let's see. What happens there. And then I'm going to get the purple, which is way more my colours, and there's not actually that much of, and I'm going to do a spiral pour in the middle of all of that. And look how few cells we got. And that's because I've mixed and mixed and mixed and mixed and mixed. So now what I'm going to do is put a drip of silicone on my finger, just one drop, and start flicking, because we can all see there's a lot of colour under there. All this has come from one drop of silicone. This is why we say just put one drop of silicone into your paint, because that one drop goes a long way. Now I'm really liking that. So let's wait and see what happens to all those beautiful little cells. But I tell you what's going to happen to this piece. There's going to be a photo taken, and it's going to end up as a piece of material. How cool is that? Yay! Alright, I'll be back when it's dry in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh, I so like this. This is very, very cool. I'm really glad I videoed it, and I'm really glad I didn't just delete the recording when it wasn't looking too great. But you guys know me by now, surely. I love to keep playing. Look at these cells. So I am going to be putting out a pattern from this. I have several ideas in mind. Yeah, as is the normal case, I have, you know, running 5 businesses isn't exactly a part-time job, and I love this so much. I do intend to create something greater with this, so stay tuned. I'll let you know when that happens. But wow, I really like it. It's super cool, super fun, and what else is possible? Alright guys, well, I hope you've had an amazing new year, and we are well into it here in New Zealand. Tonight is the end of the 3rd day of 2020, and I've had some fun, lots of fun. So I thought what I would do is, as you've seen, I have cut a lot of it out, fast forwarded a lot of it, a lot of my messing around, and so tacking on the end here, you will find some Vlogmas, as it so seems to be called. Just a bit of a compilation of photos and videos of me and my family having fun in the sun, fun with family, fun with horses and guns. So if you don't like guns, don't look at that bit. We had an amazing day today. The 4 of us went to a adventure playground place. They have 4x4 little bikey cart things that they do tours on. We didn't do that, but we did get to ride in one up to the skeet shooting or claybird shooting range. The boys got to fire real firearms for the first time. Aiden was amazing. Damien and I were crap, but that's okay. First time with a gun, it's not really surprising. And we went horse riding. I haven't been on a horse since I was probably 8, and Glenn's never been on a horse. So the boys were out doing it, both of us, but it was absolutely lovely. So there's some footage of that. You're probably seeing it as I'm talking right now. There's also stuff of us down at my sister's lake house, down at Mangakino, and Christmas and all that stuff. So I adore you all. I hope you have had a fantastic holiday season. Here in New Zealand, it's beautiful and sunshiny. We've had amazing weather. Apparently it rained really badly in Rotorua on Christmas Day, but we weren't here. We were in Hamilton at my sister's, so that was easy. Didn't rain there. We went for a walk in the gardens. So I have put together, as you've seen, a big, long medley of all of that, just to give you a taste of what's the holiday season like in New Zealand, and what we got up to as a family. I tell you what, having teenage boys is such a gift. I adore you guys. I hope you've had fun, and I really enjoyed creating this painting. Oh, did you spot the little bits of purple? Look at that, purple. Ah, the rest of it really does look like Payne's grey and white, even though there's so many different colours in there. But I like it. I like it a lot. Look at those cells, aren't they cool? Anyway, I adore you guys. I look forward to playing with you over 2020 and beyond. So stay tuned, hit subscribe, and come play with me. I adore you. Have fun. Bye-bye.